Model, 68 Ford Transit Custom 280 Limited Top Spec Automatic needs Turbo Euro 6 No Vat bargain. Body, orange, panel van. Mileage, 301097. MOT, the 13th of October 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Engine and gearbox a fantastic straightforward turbo replacement job. Ignore the mileage on this. It was a long-distance courier vehicle that has been maintained and looked after to a very high standard straightforward. Turbo replacement job, open mouth smile. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is